Ever wondered how significant social bookmarking is in our increasingly digital world? In the digital age, we're constantly bombarded with information from every direction. Amidst this chaos, social bookmarking emerges as a beacon of organization, a tool for effectively storing and retrieving information. Imagine having a personalized library where you can not only save your favorite reads, but also categorize them for easy access. That's the beauty of social bookmarking. It's not just about saving links, it's about creating a personal information management system. But the benefits don't stop there. Social bookmarking also fosters a sense of community. You can share your bookmarks with others, discover new resources, and collaborate on a grand scale. It's a tool that bridges the gap between knowledge and accessibility, making information sharing efficient and seamless. So, in essence, social bookmarking is a tool that we cannot afford to overlook in this digital era. But what exactly is social bookmarking? Let's delve into that. Social bookmarking at its core is the practice of saving bookmarks to a public web server and tagging them with keywords. Now you might be thinking, isn't that just like saving a bookmark on my browser? Well, not quite. While both involve saving links for future reference, social bookmarking takes it a step further. Imagine you're reading an online article about the best coffee shops in town. You find the information valuable and decide to save the link. With a conventional browser bookmark, you'd save this link on your device. It's effective, yes, but limited to your device and your access only. Now let's consider the same scenario, but with social bookmarking. Instead of saving the link to your device, you save it on a public website. But here's the twist, you also tag it with keywords, say coffee, cafes, and local. This way, not only is the link stored, but it's also categorized and easily discoverable by others. So, you can think of social bookmarking as a communal activity. It's a way for users to pool together their resources and share information on a grand scale. And because these bookmarks are tagged with keywords, they're searchable. This means that if someone else is looking for the best coffee shops in town, they could find your bookmark simply by searching for those keywords. But the beauty of social bookmarking doesn't stop there. The more people who bookmark and tag the same web page, the higher it ranks in the website's search results. This is the crowdsourcing aspect of social bookmarking, allowing the most useful or popular resources to rise to the top. In essence, social bookmarking is all about sharing and discovering information. It's not just about storing a web page for later, but about contributing to a shared pool of resources. It's about making the internet a more navigable place, one bookmark at a time. So, social bookmarking is more than just saving a link. It's about sharing and discovering information. Now that we understand what social bookmarking is, how do we go about it? Well, the process is actually quite straightforward, and we're going to walk through it together step by step. Let's start with choosing a platform. There's an abundance of social bookmarking sites out there, each with their own unique features and communities. Some of the more popular ones include Delicious, Dig, and Reddit. It's important to choose a platform that suits your needs and interests. If you're into tech news, for instance, you might lean towards Dig. Or if you're more about the arts, Delicious could be a better fit. Once you've decided on a platform, the next step is creating an account. This is typically a simple process. Just provide some basic information like your name and email address and choose a username and password. Keep in mind your username will be public, so choose something that you're comfortable with others seeing. Now, with your account set up, you're ready to start bookmarking. Let's say you come across an article or a blog post that you find interesting. Instead of just saving it to your browser's bookmarks, you can save it to your social bookmarking account. This usually involves clicking on a button or a link that says bookmark this page or add to bookmarks. But we're not done yet. The next step is tagging your bookmark with relevant keywords. Tags are like labels or categories that help others find your bookmark. If you're bookmarking an article about gardening, for instance, you might tag it with words like gardening, plants, flowers, and so on. The more relevant and specific your tags are, the easier it will be for others to find your bookmark. Finally, the last step in the process is sharing your bookmark. This is what makes social bookmarking social. By sharing your bookmark, you're not just keeping it for yourself, but you're allowing others to discover it too. They can then add it to their own bookmarks, share it with their friends, or even add their own tags to it. And that's it. You've just gone through the process of social bookmarking. To recap, we've chosen a platform, created an account, saved a bookmark, tagged it with relevant keywords, and shared it with others. It might seem like a lot at first, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. Remember, the beauty of social bookmarking lies in its simplicity and the power of community. It's about more than just saving links. It's about discovering new content, connecting with like-minded individuals, and contributing to the broader knowledge of the internet. And there you have it, a bookmark ready to be discovered, shared and added to by others. So what's in it for you? Why should you use social bookmarking? Well, the benefits are manifold and can be a game changer for both individuals and businesses alike. Let's dive into some of these benefits, shall we? First off, social bookmarking significantly boosts visibility. Imagine you've just published a blog post or an article. How do you get it in front of as many eyes as possible? Social bookmarking. By marking your content on popular social bookmarking sites, you're essentially putting it on a public platform accessible by millions of people around the globe. This exposure can lead to increased traffic to your content, and who doesn't want that? Next up, we have the wonderful world of search engine optimization, or SEO as it's commonly known. Social bookmarking can play a crucial role in improving your SEO ranking. When you bookmark your content on these sites, search engines like Google take notice. They see these bookmarks as a sign of relevance and quality, and this can improve your ranking in search results. Higher rankings mean more visibility, which in turn leads to more traffic. But the benefits of social bookmarking aren't just about getting more eyeballs on your content, it's also about knowledge sharing. Social bookmarking sites are essentially online repositories of knowledge covering a vast array of topics. By bookmarking content, you're not only organizing it for your own use, but also sharing it with others who might find it valuable. This can foster a sense of community and collaboration, which is always a plus in today's interconnected world. And let's not forget about the personal organization. Social bookmarking allows you to categorize and tag your bookmarks, making it easier to locate specific content later. It's like having a highly organized, easily accessible digital library at your fingertips. As you can see, the benefits of social bookmarking extend beyond just organization. Let's summarize what we've learned today. We've explored the fascinating world of social bookmarking, a concept that has truly revolutionized the way we organize, store, and share our favorite online resources. It's more than just a digital filing cabinet. It's a tool that enhances our online experience, allowing us to connect with others through shared interests and ideas. We've dug into what social bookmarking is, a system that enables us to tag and save links of web pages that we find interesting or useful. It's a way to keep track of those hidden gems on the internet, tag them with relevant keywords, and easily retrieve them later. But it's not just about keeping things tidy for ourselves. By sharing these bookmarks with others, we create a community of like-minded individuals, sharing and discovering new content collectively. We've walked through the step-by-step process of social bookmarking, starting with finding a web page or resource you find interesting, to tagging it with relevant keywords, adding a description if you wish, and finally saving it to a social bookmarking site. We discussed the importance of using accurate and descriptive tags, as they are the key to others finding and benefiting from your bookmarks. We've highlighted the benefits of social bookmarking, from personal organization to social engagement. It's a tool that not only helps us manage our online resources, but also helps us discover new ones, thanks to the shared bookmarks of others. It's a way to stay updated with trending topics, to learn from experts in various fields, and to contribute our own insights and resources to the collective knowledge pool. So as we wrap up, remember that social bookmarking is more than just a convenient tool. It's a platform for discovery, learning, and sharing. It's a testament to the power of collective knowledge and the beauty of shared interests. So, are you ready to dive into the world of social bookmarking? It's a journey worth embarking on.